So let's just see the question number 5. Question number 5 says factorize this particular expression. So let's just start factorizing it. As we can see, we have 2x square plus of y square plus of 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. So let us suppose we can rewrite this particular expression as 2x square can be written as root 2x whole square, because root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2, so it will be definitely is equal to 2x square. Further we have plus of y square and we have 8z square. We can write 8z square as 2 root 2 z whole square, because 2 into root 2, when we will multiply 2 root 2 2 times, and we will definitely get the answer as nothing but 8, because 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 is nothing but 2 into 2 is 4 and root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2, so 4 into 2 is nothing but 8 again. So this is 2 root 2 z whole square. Further we can write it as minus of 2 and we have root 2xy. We can write it as root 2x into y. Further we have plus of 4 root 2yz. We can write it as 2 and further we have root 2. Let us suppose we can write y first. So we can write 2 into y and further we have 2 root 2z. We can write it in this particular formation and further we have minus 8xz. So we can write it as minus of 2 and we have z first, so we can write z as 2 root 2z and we can write x as root 2x. It is root 2x. So further we do know that the value of x that we are using is root 2x formation. We have y, we have z, that is 2 root 2z, and further we have a negative signs. So let's just check out for the negative signs. We have negative signs in these two terms. So let's just see what is the common term in between these two. So this is definitely nothing but root 2x, because root 2x is present in this term and in this term as well. So it means the negative sign that is occurring over here and here is just because of this root 2x. So let us suppose we are giving root 2x, or we are giving the negative sign to the root 2x as, so let us suppose I am writing it as minus root 2x whole square, because it is definitely again equal to this one, plus of y square plus of 2 root 2z whole square. So I am further giving the negative sign to the x term and it is y, plus 2y and 2 root 2z. Again we are giving the negative sign to the x term as minus root 2x. Further we can see that this particular expression that we have is nothing but resembling with the algebraic identity that was x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, which is nothing but is equal to x plus y plus z whole square. So in place of x we can use minus root 2x, in place of y we can use y, in place of z we can use 2 root 2z. Now let's just use all these values and let's just factorize this particular expression. So in place of x we are using minus root 2x whole square plus of y whole square plus of 2 root 2z whole square plus of 2 minus root 2x into y plus 2y 2 root 2z plus of 2 root 2z minus root 2x is at the end is equal to x plus y plus z whole square. So x is nothing but minus root 2x, y is nothing but y, and z is nothing but 2 root 2z whole square. So this is nothing but the factorization of this particular expression and at last our answer. So using the algebraic identity x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx is equal to x plus y plus z whole square, we have deducted the factorization of this particular expression as this.